This video, we're going to look at doing promotional pricing using the product family code. There's more than one way to do promotional pricing. This is one way we're going to tackle now. So to use the product family code, first you want to create that family code, and that's under categories and departments and product families. We're going to add a family. We're going to call that sale. All right, and we're just going to call that sale items, whatever you want to call it, doesn't matter. So we created the family, product family of sale, and now we need to add a discount. So we just click on this button, add discount. You can have a start date and a stop date if you want to. That way they can only use this during those dates. It will not be active during any other date. I'm not going to do that for right now, but you can do that, and that will limit it to a time frame. You can also have multiple discounts on here. So I can do from, let's say, from 1 to 5. You're going to get 10% off. You can also do what some stores do, which you get 10, 5, and 5, or 10, 3, and 2, or whatever. You can have multiple discounts, and we'll go over that later in a different video, but this is just for how to do it with the family codes. And also, you can have a fixed price. Now, I don't know why that would be very useful, because almost everything has different costs and prices. But you could have a fixed price. So you had a bunch of items that were all the same, except for the color. Yeah, so they were the same cost, same price, and you want to sell them for the same amount. You could put a fixed price in there if you wanted to. You can limit it to which location. If you have multiple locations in PIMS, you can say this is for location 1 only. All the other locations are selling at a regular price. This will only take effect in location whatever you designate here. So I'm going to do another discount. I'm going to leave the dates blank again. And this one I'm going to put in as, let's go from 6 to 10. You're going to get 15% off. All right? And just arbitrary numbers, just throw them out there. So I created the product family of sale. I put in a discount. I left the dates blank, so it's good for as long as I want it to be. If you buy from 1 to 5 quantities, you get 10% off whatever item is tied to the product family of sale. If you buy 6 through 10, you get 15% off. All right, we're going to save that. Now I'm going to go find an item. I'm just going to assign this item here. Notice there's no product family in this one, so I'm going to put sale. Right, so now this product part of the product family of sale. So now when I save this, I can now go create an order and add items to this order. That's the item I just labeled as the product code sale. So now you notice that it is $12.99. That's what it was originally. Now if I were to put up here the name of the product family, which is sale. Now watch, I'm going to hit tab. It lowered that now to $11.69. So we went from $12.99 to $11.69.10, which is 10% off. Now let's say that I put that, I want to buy 6 of them. Tab, and then click off that line, and you see it went down to $11.04. And so any item that I put on here that has that sale product category, product family, will have this code applied to it, and we'll have those pricings that we put in place. It will have these. If you put that in that price code field, it will then apply these discounts to whatever has that family code on the product here. So that's one way you can do sales. Now, one of the beauties of this is you can create this family code anytime you want. It can be anything you want, and then decide, I want to apply it to certain items. Then you can go pick which items you want and bulk apply that. So let's say I want this applied to all my RAM. I'm going to have a sale on RAM. So all I have to do is go find, let's see, search editor. And I know that my RAM is in a category code of RAM. Now there's a way to do this with the category code too, but we're just talking about product family code right now. And so it's equal to RAM. Now I don't have to change the category code. I just select all, go up to functions, assign a family, and I want the family to be sale. it just went through and applied that sale code to everything that I highlighted. And now every one of these will be part of this sale when we go to put something on another order. So if we take this, for example, I don't have any in stock, so it may screw us up, but let's go see what it does. All right, we'll do this. Line item. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, now, so it's $50. If I put sale, it's now $45. If I have 6 of these, it's now $42.50. So that's a quick and easy way to have a sale on items using the product family code.